In this video, I will show you how to get days, hours and minutes between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some start and end dates in these columns. Now I want to get the days, hours and minutes between the start and end dates. For example, for the first row, I want to get the difference is 1 day, 1 hour and 1 minute. Let's first get the number of days between two dates. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and time as a fractional value of 1 day having 24 hours. So we can get the days between two dates by simply subtracting the start date from the end date and discarding the fractional value, which is time. I will use the Excel int function to discard the fractional or decimal value. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type int followed by an opening bracket. Select the end date, type a minus sign, select the start date and then type the closing bracket of the int function. Type ampersand character followed by the text days. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have a day difference between two dates. Since we already have the days difference, all we need now is to format the time difference between two dates. To do that, I will use the Excel text function. The text function converts a number to text in the specified format. Let's append the text function using the ampersand character. The number we want to format is the difference between two time values in hours and minutes. So I will type the end date minus the start date as the first argument. Type a comma to specify the format argument. The format we want is the number of hours followed by the text hours and then minutes followed by the minutes text. Type the letters HH for the 2-digit hours followed by the text hours inside an extra pair of double quotes. Type the letters MM for the 2-digit minutes followed by the text minutes inside an extra pair of double quotes as well. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the days, hours and minutes between two dates. We can also add seconds along with the hour and minute difference. Let's modify the formula to include seconds in the format as well. Type the letters SS after the minutes text for the 2-digit seconds followed by the seconds text inside an extra pair of double quotes. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have days, hours, minutes and seconds between two dates. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.